Hey everyone, it's Mailbag Monday, and got something in the mail that is RC related, can be RC related, definitely help out on the workbench. Got it from Amazon, good price. Let's check it out. Looks like a box in a box. Okay, that's new. Checking out, using my new over the workbench setup. I'm using a Logitech C920 webcam on an arm, using a headset for audio. Just trying to upgrade my setup. So I don't cut into this package. It's the weirdest thing. Let's start here.
15 minutes later.
Looks like it's straight from China from AliExpress, but straight from the Amazon warehouse. It's a soldering and SMD rework station. So it's a power supply, and it's a hot air gun really, but it'll help with shrink wrap. Shrink tubing, and help desolder components for electronics projects. Reflow solder if need be. I got it for 28 and some change on Amazon. It's, I think, the cheapest one I found. So I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So it's got a part for the hot air gun, power, adjustable temperature. A lot of these will come with a soldering iron built into it. And there's definitely ones that are more expensive than this, but it's worth a shot. I salvage a lot of parts from stuff I find laying around, so I think this will definitely help out pulling components off and desoldering, and definitely with doing soldering jobs and shrink tubing and the like. I also got 2 packages in from Amazon. Believe I know what these are. Ordered these for my new Gatekeeper. I'm pretty sure that's what these packages are. So let's open them up. There we go. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can bring down the camera closer. This is new Treal brass knuckles. No, these are C-hubs for the element. And got them in black for the Gatekeeper. Put a little weight up front. I got these on my Enduro, and really like them. They're well machined and easy to install, and give enough weight up front. They're made out of brass. Let's open these up too. And I also got the Treal brass knuckles, steering knuckles, and they come with all the hardware you need. Like I said, really easy to install, and put enough weight up front, crawling up the big boulders here, and in my local crawling spots, and give it also good durability. My son was crawling today with me, and with the Enduro, and he was being kind of rough with it, but these hold up real good. So I'm looking forward to installing these and finishing up my Gatekeeper. I've already driven it, and it's a great truck. Now it's just putting little upgrades here and there for them. So thanks for watching.